Yeah, so far little progress with the rear subframe and housing for the transmission. Still trying to figure out what I need to do. And then I'll be cutting this support bracket off, leaving the rear. That should set in there fairly centered. Should. Although I don't know if I'll have any problem with the axles. I'm getting this one remade somehow, somewhere. Not much of a update. Although I do have the engine and stuff out, I've not made a video on that. Didn't really see any need to. But the subframe, got the axles off. Have to get axles custom made for this to even work. Small progress, hardly any talking. Let's just try to get stuff done.